नित्यानन्दं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं
परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम् 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 नित्यानन्द
अरुणाचलेश्वर आनन्दमय रूप गङ्गजटाधर ओंकारं भव अरुणाचलेश्वर आनन्दमय रूप गङ्गजटाधर ओंकारं भव परमनित्या दुस्तर भवसागर धरणं परमनित्या दुस्तर भवसागर धरणं नादस्वरूप नित्यानन्द नागभूषण नादस्वरूप नित्यानन्द नागभूषण करुणा सागर दीननाद नित्यानन्द रूप परम कृपा करुणा सागर दीननाद नित्यानन्द रूप परम कृपा नित्यपुरीश्वर नित्यानन्द नित्यपुरीश्वर नित्यानन्द 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 सर्वोत्तम गुण सुरमुनि वन्दित सर्वजनाश्रय नित्य सद्गुरुदेव सर्वोत्तम गुण सुरमुनि वन्दित सर्वजनाश्रय नित्य सद्गुरुदेव करुणानिधे तुम मेरे प्राणदाता करुणानिधे तुम मेरे प्राणदाता सद्गुरुदेवा नित्यानंद सर्वधर्म प्रिया सद्गुरुदेवा नित्यानंद सर्वधर्म प्रिया करुणा सागर दीननाद नित्यानंद रूप परम कृपा करुणा सागर दीननाद नित्यानंद रूप परम कृपा नित्यपुरीश्वर नित्यानंद नित्यपुरीश्वर नित्यानंद 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 जगदीश्वर कलियुग अवतार भक्त जनों के तुम नित्य परिपालक ओम जगदीश्वर कलियुग अवतार भक्त जनों के तुम नित्य परिपालक भव बंधन से दूर करो तुम भव बंधन से दूर करो तुम पावन पुरुष नित्यानंद पाप विमोचन पावन पुरुष नित्यानंद पाप विमोचन करुणा सागर दीननाद नित्यानंद रूप परम कृपा करुणा सागर दीननाद नित्यानंद रूप परम कृपा नित्यपुरीश्वर नित्यानंद नित्यपुरीश्वर नित्यानंद 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 नित्यपुरीश्वर नित्यानंद नित्यपुरीश्वर नित्यानंद 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 ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ 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 ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದ
ॐ नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respect. I welcome all the living and practicing Hindus from all over the world. I welcome all the Sarvanyapita Kartas, Yajamans, Manifestors, Sarvaparityagis, Srimahans, Mahans, Kotari, Tanedar, visitors, viewers, Kayakalpa Yoga participants, Kailasas, e-Gurukul students and Kailasas, NHU students, Kailasas ministers, ambassadors, diplomats, e-diplomats, citizens, consulate generals and supporters, Mantreshwaras, Vidyeshwaras, Ganeshwaras, Lokeshwaras, Astreshwaras, Paramashiva Ganas, Paramashivoham season 11 participants. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Paramashiva's message directly from Kailasa. Listen. Mind is a mechanism built in you by the society to constantly drive you as it wants. Anyone unclutches to the level where the faulty mechanism called mind inserted into you by default stop triggering you, instigating you, lives in the state of Paramashiva. Let me repeat. Listen. Mind is the faulty mechanism inserted into you by default by the human society to trigger you, to drive you as it wants constantly. Anyone who decides to unclutch to the depth, to the level, society cannot trigger you anymore. It cannot trigger you anymore. It cannot drive you crazy anymore. It cannot constantly instigate you in the direction it wants you anymore. That level of unclutching makes you manifest the state of Paramashiva. Now, listen intensely, sincerely. I'll give you the complete truth as it is. Listen intensely, sincerely. See, if there is a fact and you are informed otherwise, one example, there is a green light, but you have been told there is red light. It's called lie, false information. But even the evidence provided to you, whether to prove something is a fact or false, truth or lie, that itself is anitya. That itself does not have the sanctity of time, that itself does not have its independent existence. The whole thing, the concept given to you, there is a green light. The fact, the statement given to you, there is a green light. And the evidence provided to you, there is a green light. It may be fact, it may be false, it may be truth, it may be lie, but the whole thing does not have its existence on time. Realizing that, and waking up from the Maya. I'll try to give you some more example. Listen. You spend literally your whole life only to dig out whether something is true or false, fact or lie. If you have been told, hey, there is a green light, and actually there is a green light, that's all. You don't go more than that. Or if there is a red light and you have been told as green light, you think, oh, I have been lied. That's all. Your whole life is this simple binary of truth, false, fact, or lie. Very superficial. But understand the idea given to you, there is a green light. And the witness or the evidence provided to you, there is a green light. And the eyewitness who has seen and tells you, yes, there is a green light. And your perception, idea of green light. The whole thing is delusion. Life is a prank played on you by Maya. Wake up. Understand? This whole thing is a prank played on you by Maya. If you have seen the prank shows, how the end of the prank, the fellow who was pranked wakes up and, oh God, the whole thing is a prank. Exactly same way. When I unclutched myself, I woke up. Oh God, this whole thing is a prank. I'll tell you. When you unclutch, you realize this whole thing is a prank. Use this time of pralaya, pandemic, to realize this whole thing is prank. I'll give you one incident from my life. My cousin brother, he died when I was young. He was not just cousin brother. You see, actually in Tamil, we don't have two words for biological own brother and cousin brother. Even in the language, there's only brother, one word. Because the lifestyle is a joint family. The idea, only the kids born for your father and mother are your brothers, and kids born for your Periyappa and Periyamma, means the aunt and uncle, are not your own brothers. The idea I learnt only after coming to West, when I started learning this word cousin brother. Till then we don't have, neither we have that word in Tamil, nor we have that idea in the family. Joint families means it's always like brother, brother, that's all. Mentally, I never had the separation from the kids who are born to my father, mother, and the kids who are born to my uncles and aunt. All are equal in the family and even in the relationship. There's no priority. There's no priority that the kids who are born to my father, mother are more loyal to me, near to me, or dear to me, or I should be more loyal to them. All that idea doesn't exist in joint families, especially the Hindu joint family system. This kid, my elder brother, means actually cousin brother, not born to my father and mother, my father's elder brother's son. His name was Srinivasan. He died. He died in an accident. He fell into the village well. In village, whenever there is summer vacation, we go to our relative's house, usually which will be just nearby villages. He died. I will project his photo. It was a strong shock for me, because he was not just my brother, he was my first secretary, I should say. In a way, my first assistant, who used to continuously serve me, whether plucking flowers for my puja or standing as a security guard while I am doing puja. You see, the house in which I was born and brought up is a large joint family house. The kids will be running around hither and thither, screaming, jumping, shouting. One will do one in the hall itself, one will do two in the hall itself, one will be rolling on that, and the dog will run on that. It's like a large joint family house. So whenever I am doing puja, kids should not come and fall on me. So he is my first security. My brother is my first security. He will stand next to me like a bodyguard. So nobody comes and falls on me while I am doing puja. and nobody should switch on the fan when the light is lit for my puja. See, in village, those days that fan, it will run like a generator. The sound it will create, and these old ladies, my grandmother and their elder sister, all of them, when they come and rest, they will switch on that fan and it will start. It will be like a generator, the sound created. Not only that, if you switch on the fan, that lamp I lit for the puja will be blown away. So he will stand there and make sure nobody switches on the fan till I finish the puja, and nobody jumps on me while I am doing puja. He used to be such good protection for me. Maybe that punya, he completed all his karmas. He used to be deaf and dumb. And from my own perception, I feel he is one of the Siddha who came to planet Earth and just to serve me. After he completed exam,